Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account level and the pets you'll bring. Once verified, check your inventory for 5,000 coins, 3 trade keys, and enough carry space. Next, open the world map and locate the Trade World portal. Select it and join the queue if there's a wait. You're doing this to ensure you don't get kicked for missing items and to enter with trade-ready offers, so prep your inventory now and move through the portal promptly. Once inside, you set up trades by arranging 3 to 5 clear offers that mix high-demand rares with at least one high-value legendary. Make sure to name each offer plainly, attach a realistic time limit, and choose either fixed or bargain pricing based on demand. Then move to a central stall where foot traffic is highest, ping potential buyers using chat or emotes, and enable quick accept so you can close deals faster. This reduces idle time and increases successful exchanges. To finish, always confirm both sides' items and coin amounts before you press accept. You want 0 mistakes. Once accepted, use quick trade confirmations and immediately move sold pets to your vault or inventory to avoid accidental relisting. If a trade fails or you get stuck, relog and retry, check that your trade keys and inventory slots are still valid, and if problems persist, capture the trade ID and contact support. Doing these steps protects your assets and resolves issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.